Well, you know what?
What?
I think something came from Poppy in the mail.
Ah! First we can do that, and then we can blank it, right? Whoa!
Yeah, maybe.
What? Ah! It's a Thomas thing!
Is it?
Look at this.
It's a whoa! Yes!
Should we see what it is?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, who's going to like to live in there? Isaac, who do you think wants to live in there?
What does these do, Dad?
I think they make sounds, but we have to get it all hooked up.
Oh. They put the doors open. This does too.
All right.
Daddy, where's the trains who can go on it? Oh, here's the trains. I got a train track.
Can you show it to us? What do you tell us what's over here? Point out the different parts.
Tracks. Starting line. Roundhouse and a round thing.
What's your favorite part of this? Yeah, what is that?
Roundhouse and a round thing.
Can you show us how it works?
Nobody in there. Oh. Oh, that doesn't work.
What happened?
Oh, it makes noise. Dad,
Yeah.
is it too low for Kate?
No, that's okay. Kate's asleep. Can you show us how you play with this?
I like to play it. Yeah, there's work things over here.
What do you do with the tools? Can you show us how you work with them on Emily?
I'm gonna start up over here. And
Can you tell us what you're doing?
brushing Emily. Yes, Emily.
No, what are you doing now?
Putting gas in her.
Oh.
And then I'm doing wrenching now. And now I'm doing the hammer. Now I'm using the airbrush.
Wow. So now she's all fixed and all brushed. What does she do?
Go around the train tracks. But don't need this.
Go ahead, show us.
Oh, we can just do this. Turn her around with train track. Maybe this train track right here. Please hold on. And look up. Can I please buy and you can go in the diff and then this one.
And do we say night night to Emily? Now, do you know who got this roundhouse for you?
Poppy and Gramps.
You want to say thank you to Poppy and Gramps?
Thank you, Poppy and Gramps.
Nice work, Poppy and Gramps.
Bye.